question from Dave at UNFCCC. First of all, sorry, he's saying, wow, it seems like he likes your product, so compliments to you and the team. And
Thank you.
And then he's asking, what is the payment backend that you use? And he's asking with the view of, is there a way to kind of take what you have developed and redeploy it in different contexts, generalize it a bit, and maybe have an app per SDG that kind of, piggybacks of what you and the team have already been working on for so long?
Mm-hmm. I'll start with the payment one. That's probably easier. So we started off we enable different payment methods. Depending on the country that you're in, different payment methods play a different role, and we haven't yet optimized that for all markets. But in our main markets, we enable PayPal, we enable credit cards, and Apple and Google Pay fall in the credit cards. We use Braintree/PayPal for the PayPal payments, and we use Stripe for the credit card payments. I think both are great platforms, great services. For us, Stripe made sense after a while, especially as we're scaling. They offered a very good price, and I think from a technical perspective, they are also, I would say, probably the best provider. So that's why we went with them for our most recent procurement. I hope that answers the question, because more technical detail than that, probably not for me, but I'm happy to clarify afterwards. And as for the white labeling, or making this available for other agencies, I think that would definitely be an interesting idea. What we probably shouldn't underestimate is the amount of time and resources that go into managing, maintaining the app, and adding new features that are probably relatively specific to what we do. So as you saw on the slide, we have 10 developers, and they are definitely busy. So I think it's probably not that easy to just take what we have and kind of put a different color on it and not have ShareTheMeal, but share something else. But it is something that is possible to do, and I think we can definitely use what we have and grow on that. I think there's many valuable lessons that we've learned, and we'd be very happy to share those too. So I think a lot of it is also just sort of what we've learned along the way and what can be recycled for other purposes. But I'm definitely happy to talk more about that if there's sort of a particular use case you're thinking about.